Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the adaptive LTPO refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you want to change the refresh rate of your phone to make it more or less frames per second, all you need to do is open up the settings, then from the main menu scroll down to display, and then scroll down again to Motion Smoothness. Tap on that, and here you have two options. You have adaptive, which adjusts the screen refresh rate, and you can change it up to 120 Hz. So we can do from 1 Hz to 120. So 1 Hz is for the case when you're using, for example, the always on display, and 120 Hz just makes the phone much smoother. And you also have standard, which you get longer battery life by automatically adjusting the screen refresh rate but it limits it to 60 FPS. So if you apply that, it's going to be on 60 Hz. And adaptive, it's going to be on 120. And that's pretty much it. This is how you change the refresh rate. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe.